Naging mas touching siya and relatable kasi dun sa ending niya na kailangan pa rin natin ipakita na tao tayo. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine Naili. For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging full performance ng ating Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024. That's Miss Pampanga, Jasmine Bungay or Bungay. We can say na hindi talaga natin, hindi siya na ano ng radar natin. Pero deserve na deserve niya yung kanyang crown, I must say. So let's watch again yung kanyang naging winning performance to become the Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024. Without any further ado, let's watch this.
Jasmine Bungay Pampanga!
Gusto ko gawin ano yun. Ang cute niya doon, like, ang pretty talaga ni Jasmine pala talaga, no? Like, gusto kong gamitin yung intro niya na alarm clock. Alarm tone, alarm tone.
Pangbungad, full of energy.
Oo. Pero ang pretty.
Binibining 21, Jasmine Bungay.
Ay, pa. Just waiting for my cue. Ay, wow.
Ang ganda rin talaga. Ang linis ng katawan niya na. Tignan mo, no?
Ang liit nung waist niya. Tapos pa, ganun yung balakang. So, maliit ng waist niya, pero malaki yung balakang niya. So, parang, ano talaga, sexy body.
21, Pampanga, Jasmine Bungay, the center, Harvey Senate.
I mean, itong gown na to, nung lumabas pa lang siya, nakakita ko na yun na it's a winning gown. Kasi out of all those details ng mga gowns, designs, ang dami kasing gumamit nung parang may pakpak, may butterfly na ganyan na effect, which is medyo outdated na ganyan. But this one, yung beadwork, medyo short lang yung ano niya, short lang yung length ng mismong ano niya. Pero meron siyang wrap around na yung sky blue.
Parang palda.
Yeah. It's perfect. Ang ganda ng flow.
Ang ganda ng tela.
Your judge is Miss Gloria Diaz.
Hello.
Hi, Miss Gloria.
This is a very easy question.
Ayan na.
Yan, yung... Kasi siya tayo pangalawang tinanong, yung una yung hindi nakasagot, diba? So this one, talagang sinabi na talaga ni Gloria Diaz na it's a very easy question. You just have to listen and understand and just answer.
If you were given 30 minutes to talk to the public, what would you talk about?
If I would be given 30 minutes to talk to the public, I would like to talk about the passing of the SOGIE SC bill.
Ang cute nun, and then meron pa talaga siya, I would like to talk about the calmness and then yung clarity of her speaking voice, kung paano siya magsalita. I love it. And the topic.
Because in celebrations such as pageants, this community has contributed so much. And in this regard, we can give back to them by supporting this cause. Because as an individual, it is our responsibility that we ensure that everyone is treated equally despite their SOGIE. Thank you.
I mean, this is a kind of answer, a topic kasi na medyo political. Kasi nakadepende pa rin talaga sa government natin yung passing of the bill. But ginawa niyang makatao.
Yes.
Naging mas touching siya and relatable. Kasi dun sa ending niya na kailangan pa rin natin ipakita na tao tayo. Kailangan we don't treat other people differently just because they have a different SOGIE. We're not there yet. Malayo na, pero ang layo pa ng talakayang yan. Pero we so appreciate na yun yung sinagot niya. And I love her so much for that.
Yun nga, gulat na gulat ako nung yun yung sagot niya. Sabi ko, di ba minention ko sa'yo, Pampanga, maganda yung sagot. So, may chance na makakuha ng crowd. Kasi it's very unusual to highlight yung SOGIE, lalong-lalo na sa female pageant. Seldom na magkaroon ng tribute doon sa mga, sa community nga na sinasabi natin. Which is, yun nga, na-explain niya na mabuti na talagang designers, di ba? Makeup artists.
Ano lang kasi yun, it's as simple as marunong tumanaw ng utang na loob yung bata. Like, doon mo makikita siguro yung values. Kasi, at the end of the day, no, yung sa pageant, lalong-lalo na itong mga panelists, itong judges, karamihan sa kanila are medyo may edad na. So, napakalaking role ng isang queen na napaka-strong ng kanyang Filipino values. I think, yung impact nun is mas iba pa rin. Kaya doon mo makikita yung kailangan talaga just be kind all the time. Like, just show your true values. Kung ano yung mga tinuro sa'yo ng mga magulang mo. Ewan ko na lang kung baka hindi ka talaga tinuruan ng magandang asal, na rumispeto ng iba. So, mahirap yun. Pero this young lady here, we so love her na, and we can't wait to, you know, support her Globe journey this year. And hopefully, ay mauuwi niya yung pangatlong Globe crown siguro. So yeah, good luck. And she proved me wrong about, you know, about Pampanga Queens. I love her.
Yes. Yun nga, wala talaga siyang hesitation. But deserve niya yung crown.
And the Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024 is Binibini 21 Pampanga!
And she has that ano talaga winning and queenly aura na parang pwede mong ihanay dun sa Globe. Kasi dun sa Globe, dami din kasi mga ano dun ganda-gandahan din sa Albania. Deserve niya, and we're so happy sa result. And I think makikita mo naman sa social media na karamihan sa mga reactions, sa mga comments were like, they're happy with the result kung sino yung nanalo, di ba? How it turned out, unlike dun sa past. Charing. So, ayun, masaya. And though limited yung activities nila, pero we're just so proud na nakapag-come up na naman sila ng mga queens na deserving na hopefully makapagbigay ng pride sa Philippines sa pageantry.
Tsaka yung stage, ha? Ang ganda ng stage.
Production, yeah. Direct Johnny Manahan. So, pabalik na siguro ako sa Star Magic. Hindi na pala siya Star Magic. Sa ano na pala siya? GMA Artist Center. So, thank you so much guys at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nandiyaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So, keep watching us in the next video. Bye!